Today we are going to coat the wheels that we just got for the Range Rover Classic. Admittedly, we're doing this a little early because we haven't even started on the body work, the rust repair, any of that, as you can see. Case in point, we've got the doors and tailgate and some other items we're going to be sending to the body shop to swap out before we do the full repaint. But we've got what came in Amazon. This is C4, that's for the trim. We'll use that later. But C5 wheel armor. This is essentially ceramic coating for your wheels. Got a video on the channel that is with G-Technic, talks you through the whole process of this. That's more of a tutorial. But figured as part of the build series, I'd go ahead and capture the coating of the new wheels we got. And no reason not to get them knocked out while we've got the time, waiting on bringing this into the body shop next week. I decided to go with a set of Wolf steel wheels in a matte black. These are a super popular choice for a lot of Defenders, Range Rover Classics, really anything classic Land Rover. Wanted to go with this particular wheel in this car to complement the exterior color that I've decided to pick out, which you'll have to wait till a future episode to find out what that is, but it's gonna go well. Really like the matte black on this. They do make this in a gloss black, but I think this really hits the mark. That is it. It's that easy. Just wipe it on, wipe it off. That's, again, G-Technic C5 wheel armor. It's a little different than CSL and XO. You can put CSL and XO on these wheels, supposedly. I've had really good luck with the C5. It's actually what I put on the 911 wheels when I first got them, and they've held up really great. So just a quick one to show you how easy this is. If you do buy new wheels, you got to do this. It takes 30 minutes, and washing the car and keeping your wheels looking brand new every time you do wash it will be so much easier.